Beatrice was an elderly fairy who loved a good yard sale. It was the thrill of the hunt that she enjoyed the most. So many trinkets and treasures to discover, and toys for her grandbabies. And old fairy furniture to upcycle. Such as this lovely old bed. Oh yes, Beatrice plotted. With a touch of paint and a pinch of fairy dust, this old thing will become a grand bed indeed. After purchasing, Beatrice flew the bed home at once. Promptly added it to her to-do pile and took a nap. This is Certainly Caroline with more Polymer clay fairy tale nonsense. Learn how to make this doll at the Doll Academy. The complete course is over 90 minutes of video instruction, and Beatrice the Thrifty Fairy makes a great starter doll because mistakes on her just give her more character. I'm hoping this video will inspire you to create, but my next YouTube video will be a step-by-step tutorial, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss anything.